What's the rush?
It's a kitten. It's cute. It's cuddly. And its name is Luna.
Hannah, I'm deathly allergic to cats.
Oh, come on, Shan. You can't be allergic to cats. It was probably just a bad experience or something. Look, I'll find her. Luna.
Hannah, stop! I'm not kidding. Hannah!
There you are!
Get it away from me! Get it away from me! Get it away from me! Hannah, stop! Get it away, Hannah! Get it away!
There's nothing to